he has another question that says, another question called Rav. When we open the fridge door on Yom Tov or Shabbos, and the cold air diffuse when we open the door, this is very interesting, causing the fridge consume more electricity to maintain the temperature, doesn't that count as using fire?
Okay. I think we're going to learn this book. I think did we cover not? Okay, so I give you a brief answer. So I'm not going to go to all of the opinions, but a brief. So there is okay. If there is a light is on, if somebody did not disconnect the light, it's forbidden to open the door. So and if in our refrigerator we have a light in the freezer, like separate light, so we just cover it with, it's constantly like locked, so it never goes on. We got so used to it, we never use this light anyway, right? So if it's a light is on, so you're not allowed to open the door, first of all. Second of all, there are three, like few opinions. One say that if the motor is running, the compressor is running, so you open the door, so it's not even though it's going to run more because you opening the door, but it's not direct. Okay, so it's not direct. There is indirect cause, no problem. So others say, yeah, the opposite is true. So when the thing is not running, right? So you open the door. So when it's not running, maybe it's going to start running a little earlier. Not maybe for sure, but it's again, it's not direct, right? And others say no, it's up. Actually, when the motor is running, and you open, so it was running. Even it's going to go. I mean, I don't know when it's going to shut off. Maybe now, maybe 2 minutes later. I have no idea. It was running when they opened. So three opinions. Of course, everybody have their own rationale, but the bottom line, we go by opinion that you open the door when you need to open. But if you want to go according to all of the opinions, so you open the door indirectly. So one some people say with your foot, like from the bottom, and some people say you just put the towel on the refrigerator handle, and that's how you open the door. But if you don't want, just open the door normally. There is no problem whatsoever. Intake is the cold air is is the warm air is going to go in? Of course, that's but it's not your intention. Your intention is to take food. So and just and to preserve the food when you put it back, you have no interest in hot air going inside, cold air like warm up. That's not your business. So that's why it's no consequence. There is no problem. You understand? So intention of the Jew is very powerful, very powerful. You understand? So that's our intention. Again, I want the food. I don't care about air, and I would like this refrigerator actually never work. I mean, work, but do not consume electricity, so I pay less of electric bill. And it's very unfortunate for me that the hot air goes in. That's our intention. That's it. So you're allowed to open. So it's summary. Of course, we can discuss it. We learn it in different class in all the details. Yeah. Go ahead. What else?
Sure, Rabbi.